What is convergent evolution in whales? Imagine two animals that look very similar but are actually not closely related at all. This is what happens in convergent evolution, and it's especially fascinating when we look at whales. These massive marine mammals have a story that shows how nature can craft similar solutions to common problems, even in animals from very different backgrounds. Whales started out as land mammals around 55 million years ago. Over time, some of these land mammals made their way back into the ocean. As they adapted to life underwater, they developed features that helped them swim efficiently and survive in their new environment. But here's the interesting part. Some of these features look just like those of animals that have never been related at all, like sharks or fish. This is because they faced similar challenges in water, such as needing to move fast, dive deep, and manage oxygen while staying submerged for long periods. For example, whales have streamlined bodies that cut through water smoothly. This shape is very similar to that of sharks, even though whales are mammals and sharks are fish. Their tail flukes, or fins, are also shaped to help them propel forward with minimal resistance. Their flippers help steer, just like in fish and dolphins. These features evolved independently in whales and other marine animals, which means they did not inherit these traits from a common ancestor but developed them separately because they faced the same environmental pressures. Genetic studies support this idea. Scientists have found that whales and other marine animals have developed similar genetic changes that support their aquatic lifestyles. These changes help with things like breathing, diving deep, and sensing their surroundings underwater. But interestingly, many of these traits did not evolve through the same genetic pathways. Different species found different genetic routes to arrive at similar physical features. Understanding this process helps us see how powerful environmental factors are in shaping life. It shows that evolution is not just about passing down traits from ancestors but also about how animals adapt in similar ways when faced with the same challenges. Whales are a perfect example of how nature can create similar solutions in completely different lineages, all because of the demands of living in the ocean. So, when you see a whale swimming alongside a fish or a shark, remember that their similar shapes are a result of convergent evolution, a fascinating process where nature finds multiple ways to solve the same problems.